welcome to the new video. Today we will be going to see some 15 or 16 important informations about material safety datasheet, which is also known as MSDS. This video will be very useful for all NIBOSH students and also for people who is going for job interviews, and also those of you who are working in site. It is very important to know what all contents are included in MSDS. So you know, MSDS is material safety datasheet. So we will be seeing how to remember this 15 important informations or contents which are there in material safety datasheets. So today I will share a short trick how to remember these contents. So let us see. So this is the keywords which you have to remember to find out or to memorize the 15 contents which are there in MSDS, the material safety datasheet. So either you can remember these keywords or you can remember different statements which will be included under each keywords. So I used to remember these statements using some keywords which I will show it for you. This is the keywords which you can remember to memorize the 15 statements under MSDS, the material safety datasheet. So this is the personally made statements. You can modify the statements as per your memory and you can memorize it. So for IHCFFA, I am memorizing it as India had controlled first fire accident. For HEPST, I am memorizing it as Hero EHS protected site team. For EDTR, it will be end of the day turned red. Now we will be seeing how you can find out the informations from each statement. So first we will take IHCFFA, which is India had controlled first fire accident, and we will try to see what all informations are there for MSDS. I, it will stand for the identification. H stands for the hazard identification. C is for the composition of materials. F is for the first aid, and again F is for the firefighting, and A is for the accident release measures. How to remember HEPST statement, which is Hero EHS protected the site team. So here H will be handling and storage of materials, E will be exposure control, or you can say the personal protection. Similarly, you can say P for physical and chemical properties of the materials, S will be the stability, and T will be toxicological information. So you can remember Hero EHS protected site team. And finally the EDTR, which is end of the day turned red, where E will be the ecological information, D will be the disposal information, T will be the transport information, and R will be the regulatory information. So I hope these three statements will help you to remember all the 15 points which are there in MSDS, that is the material safety datasheets, and it will be very useful in your job interviews and in your site. So don't forget to share these videos with all your other friends so that they can also learn with us.